starting fires. Hearts burn for her, but I'm the one walking beside.
This dance is called Startin' Fires by myself, Joshua Talbot and Travis Taylor. 32 counts, 4 walls, little cha-cha slow sort of dance. There are 2 restarts on wall 3 and wall 7. I'm going to run through the whole first wall with the words without stopping. Then I'm going to do it with the counts, and then I'm going to break it down section by section. You can jump forward to any section that you like using the fast forward button, or you can use the chapters down below if you are on YouTube. Have some fun with this one. It's called Startin' Fires. Face the front. Let's run through the first wall. Words first, followed by the counts. Weights on your left foot, we're stepping to the right side, cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle, cha-cha. Pivot, 3/4 turn, side together, cha-cha. Sail a quarter turn, behind, walk right, left, right, anchor, left, right, back, half turn, quarter, hip, hip together, side and hold, bull, cross, quarter turn, quarter shuffle. Cross samba with your right, weave over, sail a step with a delayed 1/8 of a turn, ready to start again using our right foot. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 2 restarts with this dance. The first one is on wall 3. Count 8, you'll be facing the back wall, our 6 o'clock direction. Second restart, you'll be facing 9 o'clock, and it happens on wall 7, and that's a 4 count restart. Now we're going to do both of these to the front, just so you can see what needs to happen rather than you looking over your shoulder at me. So face the front with me. This is your first restart. It is on wall number 3 at count 8. Again, we will be facing the back. We're just going to practice to the front. 8 counts only. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 to start again. Keep in mind you are going to be mid-shuffle as you come around. Round we go. 8 and 1, 2, 3. Face the back wall. This is where it's going to happen for our first time on wall 3. Weights on your left foot is our short wall. Stepping to the right. 7, 8, step 1, rock 2, recover 3, turn 4 and 5, 6, 7, shuffle 8, start 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now your second restart will happen at your 9 o'clock direction, and this is wall 7. You will hear the music change just before it. So when we're at the front here, finishing up wall 6, cross, side, sail a step, turn. We're going to be doing the first 4 counts of the dance. Step 1, rock 2, recover 3, back for 4. Now 4 would usually be a shuffle to the left, but we simply restart there on the right foot. Try that with me again. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we're going to treat 4, I call it a step, but treat it like a rock. Step, rock, recover to start your dance again. The ending of this dance, you go a nice clean finish to the front, you walk forward, 2, 3, do your anchor step and just back on the left foot, end of dance. Face the front with me, we're going to use our right foot, we walk forward, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, end of dance. We're going to run through this dance section by section, face the front. I'm going to do it with the words first, and then I'm going to do it with the counts for each section as we go, nice and slow. Now remember, you can take these chapters back, you can take any section back as you like. Use the chapters down below, use the fast forward, the rerun button, whatever works for you. This is called Startin' Fires, section by section. Face the front with me, let's go. Our first section of the dance, we're going to step to the right. 1, cross rock, recover, weight goes back to your right. Side shuffle with the quarter turn, cha, cha, quarter. Using your right foot, we are going to pivot a half and then add a quarter turn shuffle, or you can call it a 3/4 pivot with a side shuffle. Whatever you want to do, we're back to the front, step together, step. Let's try that with the count, right foot leading. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. For the second section, you've already done count 1. Left foot's going to step behind with a sailor step, behind, out, out. We're going to step the right foot behind as we go into a quarter turn. I call it a weave because we step behind, quarter forward. We only start by doing 2 steps, behind, quarter. The forward step for that weave is the first step of a few walks forward. So if we go back to our sailor, left, behind, walk, right, left, right. And your weight is on that right foot. Now just face the front of me. When we're walking forward, we take 2 steps, 5, 6. If you just take a slightly larger step forward, not a big step, but just a larger step, because your anchor step is going to come in next. Now if I go back to the side, if I don't take that larger step forward for 5, 6, 7, I don't have enough room to get my anchor step in, and that's where you'll start to travel forward. So we're going to beat that. We're going to take 2 standard steps and just a slightly larger one, just about half a foot length more. That's all we need to do. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 is your anchor step. Now face the front. Let's do that same step, walking forward, right, left, right. Left foot goes slightly behind, step, right on the spot, and we're back on the left, out of your anchor. That whole section, weights on our right foot, sailor step, left, right, left, behind, quarter, walk, 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 anchor step, back. We don't want to travel forward for your anchor. Think about a ship throwing down its anchor. It's to stop it from moving anywhere, and that's what we do. Now with the count, weights on your right foot already. Left foot, sailor step, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. You're back on your left foot. For our third section, we are going to face the opposite wall. Now you will be facing 9 o'clock when we do it for wall 1. For practicing purposes, we're going to change walls. That way you can see what needs to happen when you face and turn around, face the front wall. So we're facing our 3 o'clock direction. We've just done our walks forward for section 2 with your anchor step, 8 and 1. We're back on the left foot. Now when we do 1, try not to plant the weight completely on your left foot, because you're not going to be able to turn. So count 1, you kind of want to be back on the ball of your foot. That way you can do a little swivel for 2. Weight's now on that right foot. Let's go back to our anchor step. Left foot goes behind, 8 and 1, 2. Now that 2, we want it almost together, not too far forward. We're going to bring our left foot around on 2, making a quarter turn, slight knee hitch, hip, hip. You take weight onto your left foot. Now the hip there is 3, 4. And we're kind of going to pump, pump your heel down as you hip, hip, hip. Let's come back to our anchor step. Anchor is your left foot, 8 and 1. Half step, quarter, hip, hip, taking weight, together, side, hold, ball cross, quarter turn back. Let's do that again, facing our 3 o'clock direction. You've done your last step. We're going to our anchor, anchor, back, half, hip, hip, ball, step, hold, ball, cross, quarter turn back. Now with the count, same wall, back to our 3 o'clock. Your anchor is on your left, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. We're going to stay here at our 9 o'clock direction and we're going to do it to the proper wall, which means that when we turn around, the hips are going to be on the back wall. Don't rush those hips. It is just a left, left. Facing our 9 o'clock direction, we're going to walk forward into the motion. So right foot leading for 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Half, 2 to the back, hip 3, 4 together, 5, 6, ball cross, quarter turn for count 8. Back to our 9 o'clock with the count. We're going to go from the walks again, from section 2, walking forward, right, left, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now the last section of the dance, we've stepped back on the right foot for count 8. We now do a quarter turn again to the left, doing a little side shuffle, a little cha-cha-cha, step together, step. Cross samba with your right, cross, out, out. Weave your left foot over, 1, 2. We're going to finish with a sailor turn. Now, for now, sailor quarter turn is the wall we're going to be restarting at. However, we just need to turn to the corner for a nice smooth transition into wall number 2 or 3 or 4. When we do our sailor step, we're not doing a complete quarter turn left because then we have to step back to the right side. So what we're going to do is we're going to delay your turn. We're going to make it a sailor 1/8 of a turn. Left foot goes behind, behind, out, and an 1/8 of a turn as you step your left foot slightly cross. You don't even have to move your body. It's just that foot at the end into your corner. 7 and 8. Then you're ready to start again. 1, 2, 3. Now the count here is back on the right foot for section 3, 8. Quarter turn shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now if we just change it to our 3 o'clock direction here, we're going to do the same step, the samba, the weave, the sailor turn. That way you can bring it back to the front and see that transition to the wall that you know. Cross samba with your right, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We're now on the front wall. That's our first wall. But we just simply start to the corner. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. This dance is called Startin Fires by myself, Joshua Talbot and Travis Taylor. Remember, take these sections back as you need them as many times as you like. Have some fun. I'm going to put on a little demo for you so you can watch and practice with me.
She's got her new jeans on, looking so right it's wrong. Everybody stares as she walks on by. See those double takes, hear those slamming brakes. Yeah, when she smiles you can see the sparks fly. My baby's gotten good at starting fires. Hearts burn for her, but I'm the one walking beside her. Yeah, maybe baby's gotten good at starting fires, but I'm the only one, ain't no doubt, only one who puts them out. She's got a long red dress, and boy, I must confess, when you see her, she'll take your breath away. When we're out on the town, eyes look her up and down. than a summer day. My baby's gotten good, good at starting fires. Hearts burn for her, but I'm the one walking beside her. Yeah, maybe baby's gotten good at starting fires, but I'm the only one, ain't no doubt, only one who puts them out. I'm a lucky man, and I know it's true. Know it's true, yes it's true. Her flame burns from me, yeah, and that's just so cool. My baby's gotten good, good at starting fires. Hearts burn for her, but I'm the one walking beside her. Yeah, maybe baby's gotten